bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish?
Hey y'all, so look, I'm telling y'all, I'm jumping on here because I'm super excited. I didn't even think I was getting anything today. So when this package came, I was a little confused until I saw who it was from. And then I was like, hey, just a little hint. Bubblegum in a dish. Like, so I am so excited, man. Listen, shout out to my boy again, Drama the Manager. I'm trying to tell y'all, if y'all ain't rocking with him, y'all ain't following him on Instagram, I don't understand what the problem is. So y'all need to be following him. But yeah, I got this box. I have not opened it. I just got it off porch. Here we go. I don't even know. Oh, here go my little handy dandy knife. My little cute knife. Boop, boop. Y'all know I do this. Again, I hate opening boxes on camera, but like I said, I just got this. So I gotta figure out how to open this, because like it's like all the way sealed up. And this one of them Nike boxes. So y'all watching me over here, I'm gonna cut right here, since it's one of those Nike boxes where you can push through the bottom. I'm just gonna kind of rip it up and cut the plastic, because this some old, for real, this ain't no dollar store scotch tape. This some real packaging tape. It's tough as hell. Alright. So now I know it ain't this damn hard, because when I get this package, it's the tape, man. And I be getting these boxes from Nike. I be like, what the what? Okay. Let's see. Alright, look at that. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can tell, but that's not black. That is like a dark blue and it reminds me of a crimson tint kind of like color. But that's me. So I'm gonna tell y'all, this is a women's exclusive Air Jordan 1. There it is. See that? Personal pair, my size. Man, when I tell you, Drama the shit. I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all need to get up on that. You ain't got you a reseller in your pocket. You need to get you a reseller. I mean, you know, it is what it is. You don't want to go that route? Don't go that route. But some of us gotta do what we gotta do around these parts, baby. Woo! Look at that. Oh, it's got pretty paper in it and stuff. Look at the little Jordan with the little jump man. It's all in cursive. Can y'all see that? I don't know if that's focusing, but it's cute. I love it, Ted. I love it, Ted. Let me tell y'all something. I'm trying to tell y'all, I be loving blue on Jordans because they just dope. They just fire. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Look at them. They so cute. And it's even like a little iridescent. It's not even all the way just like flat pink. I don't know if y'all can see how it like, y'all see that? I don't know if y'all see that, but it's like an iridescent color in there with it. Like it's got a little sparkle to it. It's dope. You see the laces? Okay, you got these dark laces. Let's see what color they really calling this blue though. Oh, so it's obsidian. Okay, so it's atmosphere, obsidian, and white. So I'm gonna roll with this atmosphere right there. Okay. Obsidian and white. Yay! So we got the obsidian laces. We got, I'm just gonna call these pink laces. And then you got the white laces. So 3 sets of laces. I guess it's patent leather, so you know you can't really do too much with talking about the leather quality. But if you flip over on the side, I mean it's decent, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't complaining. They pretty dope. Push my little shoe tree up in there. Put them in there. You got your little tuck tag. Look at that. Now I'm looking at this. You know I can't see too well, so I be squinting and stuff. But that's white. It looked white to me. That looked white. That's white. The little tongue tag. Nike Air is white. I mean, I think they should have made it like a little atmosphere color instead of white, but it is what it is, I guess. You know, they doing their thing. They do what they do. I think they cute. See the bottom? Look at that. And you know what? When I first heard about where the whole idea from these came from, I was just kind of like, so that's what we doing? Like, we done ran out of shit, so we just gonna go, he love bubblegum. So, I mean, I guess, you know, they went with the flu game. So, anything's possible. Oh, look at my, and here we go. Look at that. You got the little bubble gum spot up under there like you just stepped in the bubble gum. I ain't stepping in no bubble gum in these, though. We don't play that stepping in bubble gum shit. I hate when people spit their bubble gum out on the sidewalk. Disgusting little habit. And then you flip it on over. You got your little tag over there. Like, look at that. You know, it's all about the extras. You know what I'm saying? You got your extra laces. You got your little tag over here. You got the, I think that's a cute little touch, too, on the bottom with the little bubble gum paint piece on there. You know, a little faux gum back there. I think they did that. Oh, yeah, they kind of did that before. I don't know if y'all have ever seen the dog walkers, but they did that with the little poop on the shoe, the little fake poop. So, you know, they got their little ideas. You know, they coming along doing a little thing. This is a women's release. I don't know if I mentioned that to y'all. Move that out the way so you can see it. Like I said, you've seen one, Jordan 1, you've seen them all. But just pretty much showing you the color and letting y'all know these are really fly. Like, I love patent leather on my shoes. So, on my Jordan 1s especially. So, you know, for people who don't like patent leather, don't like the creasing, whatever have you, it is what it is. But I love patent leather on my ones. I'm just gonna throw some sneaker shields in there or something and let it do what it do, baby. You know what I'm saying? Like, I am excited to have these. Like, I don't think these drop until December 20th, I want to say, somewhere around there. Don't check me on the date. I ain't 100% sure. And on top of that, we know how Nike get down. Shit, they may push the damn release back or something. There is nothing else in this box. But yeah, man, here we go. The Air Jordan 1 bubble gum OG High. There it goes. Women's exclusive. I don't know how far these are going to extend. So, fellas, if you got big feet, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to cop these anyway, but you could check it out. I'm not doing all that because I got my pair. So, women's release comes in my size. So, and I'm excited about that because there are shoes dropping that I ain't got no dog in the fight because my feet too small. So if y'all like these, if you plan on copping these, if you want to cop these, let me know. Like I said, man, y'all hit up my boy Drama the Manager. He is over on Instagram. He is doing big things. Check him out. Also, hey, did y'all happen to hit on the shock drop of the cool gray 11s? Listen, I've never had them before, so I needed those in my life, and I actually hit on 3 pair. Okay, so I'm super excited, although I'm a little worried because I don't know how they're gonna do with the quality when they come, because sometimes I be feeling like these extra pairs and these shock drops be like the iffy pairs and they just trying to get them off before the real actual drop, because I feel like that's what happened with my Fire Red 4s. But we ain't gonna bring up that. They rectified that situation. I'm good on those. So, Nike doing a little thing. They producing a lot of shit. So can't expect like a whole lot, I guess, out of the quality sometimes. But it is what it is. But I'm gonna show y'all those when they come. I haven't gotten anything. Haven't checked to see if they shipped yet, but I do know I have 3 pair. I have 1 actual men's pair in a size 6 for myself, and then I have a GS pair in a 6 for myself, and then I have another GS pair for my son. So because it's been almost 11 years since he's actually worn that shoe, and I never had it. I got it for him. Cute little shirt, little outfit he had on when he was 1. I'm gonna have to show y'all that when I do that review. But anyway, y'all see what it is. Sneakerhead Clothing Line. Go follow him on IG. This is my little light hoodie I'm wearing. It's a thin light hoodie. Wear it around the house. It's cool. It's cool. Can't wear it outside in Michigan weather though, because you've been froze like a little popsicle. But yeah, it's comfortable for in the house when I'm working and doing stuff. I love it. So yeah, check it out. And if you are not following Who Has the Heat on Instagram, y'all need to go do that. If you're not subbed to the channel, you need to go do that. And yeah, man, I'm out. Bubblegums, baby.